Okay, so welcome everyone. For those who are on YouTube right now, welcome. Yes, good evening. How's everyone doing? We have Beslan PH. Hello, Miss. Good evening. We also have Jed Cloud. Yes, good evening, Roars. We have good morning, kay Roars. Sige. All right. So um. mhm. Jed in TikTok. Hi, Madam. Sige. So, guys, if you have any questions, all right, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to see them later, after our live session, diba? And I'll try to answer them. Malapit na ma-stroke. Grabe na si Mark. Sige. So, just a quick, quick check of our trades, everyone. This is our running trades right now. I'm showing you as we are very transparent in here, right? So, we have 10 positions open in Telegram or everything. You can say, yeah, out of the 10 trades, okay, 9 is currently at the red position. For those who are wondering, yung mga nanonood ngayon, hey, pa-shoutout, Madam Sege. Kongtang Plan BTC, please. Okay, mamaya, we'll do that. All right. So, as you guys can see, everything is red in here, but these are all well-planned trades, and this is not a day trading po. Our trades in Telegram are not day trading. This can go for 3 days to weekly to sometimes 2 weeks, diba? And the returns, we're looking at the bigger returns rather than the small returns in here. Now, with that said, let's go over. Okay, let's go over. We have some coins talaga, even though market, dropped that much. We have coins that are really holding at a very nice support. So we're gonna see that in the chart. All right. Now, let's open our Bitcoin, everyone, and let's check how's Bitcoin doing. Okay, so Bitcoin, like we have talked about last time, diba? Miss, we're gonna we're gonna do a, what did I say? We're gonna do a relief rally, okay, or a relief pump. And so far, it looks like that this was our relief pump. So, Miss, what does this one, what does this one means now? Bitcoin looks so bullish with this candlestick, and at the same time literally got rejected. So 101 level natin. Okay, or cannot even pass the 101. But at the same time, it didn't even close. I was watching it to close above 99 at least to hold that level, but did not. So what can we expect with Bitcoin, at this point? Bitcoin, everyone, looks like it's gonna finish the last leg of this full-on correction that is happening. Okay, so what are those levels? First level that we're watching obviously is the right around this area, 90k. Okay, right around this area, 90k level. All right, and if that gets broken, everyone, next level we're watching is at 86, 87. Those levels haven't changed yet, they're still valid, diba? We have been watching that since last month, right? So that's a very quick update lang with Bitcoin. Now, the thing is, okay, Bitcoin is dumping, but at the same time, the dominance is going up. Okay, that is why everyone, if you'll see, altcoins are taking a major hit right now. Up in here is the Bitcoin dominance, okay, for those who are watching, especially those who are in TikTok. Kasi nga, you guys cannot see the full screen. So if you guys would like to watch the full screen, diba? If you guys would like to watch the full screen, I recommend you to watch in YouTube. This is our YouTube, Mayari Capital. Look for the today's date lang, January 8th. Okay, you can watch the full screen. You can watch it again in there. So going back. Yeah, so Bitcoin dominance right now is, so far today is having not that much movement, if you guys would observe, right? This is the today's candle. Later I'll show you guys the total market cap natin. Okay, so you'll understand fully what is happening. So let's go back on Bitcoin. Let's go on the lower time frame, 4 hours. 4 hour, everyone, huh? I'll show you. 4 hour is now having, at least it is having that what do you call this? That pause of, the sell off. If you guys can observe right now, let's try to open our liquidation point, huh? Liquidation today. Let's see. Let's try to open it with our exchange. Okay. So for today, everyone, today lang, 24 hours, within 24 hours, roughly, ano lang, it's just roughly 700 million. Okay, just 700 million, everyone. And I would like to see the yesterday's, just a sec. 4 hour, past 24 hours. Yeah, 73. I guess yesterday we were hitting higher than that. Should be higher than that yesterday. Okay, right here. Let's check. Just January 7. No, roughly at ano. So if you'll combine today and yesterday, everyone, roughly at $1 billion tayo, yung liquidation natin. Queen, Feya, if ever, where can I contact you po? Okay, Queen, just take a screenshot of this right now. Okay, this is my Instagram. Just message me in Instagram for you to be safe. Okay, take a screenshot right now. So let's go back. So roughly, guys, $1 billion yung ano natin, $1 billion yung liquidation for the past 2 days, right? That's a good minimum, good liquidation price. No wonder right now we are hitting the 4 hour of Bitcoin, the pause, pause limit right now, right around this area. But if we'll check the 1 hour, 1 hour should show us some little bit of pump. You guys can see that. And can you guys see this? Volume is now over since 10:30, since earlier this morning. Okay, or the past. Let's do the hourly pala. Let's do the hourly. Sige. Okay. So for the past 8 hours, everyone, okay, for the past 8 hours, BTC, there's not that much volatility now. Okay, so we are expecting some kind of, little bit of correction. So I'm not saying, I'm not saying like it will go up. I'm talking like this only, parang ganyan. And then continue downwards for Bitcoin. Okay, for Bitcoin. Now, why is that, miss? Diba? So, if we look at the daily, okay, daily MACD natin, yesterday, itong candle na yan, it was trading above hero, diba? And I told you, when it was just around here, I did not like how it looked like. It looked like by then, diba? It looked very weak. So, what happened? Literally, it went more down. So, if ever the hourly will have a push up, it won't be that much. Okay, it won't be that much. And on the 4 hour, it will look like a relief natin dito, relief type of pump, and possibly continue to the downside to just simply complete this complete this last leg natin, this C leg that you guys can see. Okay, tanggalin na natin to. Ito then, this is done. All right. Let's, I would like to keep that there. Relief pump is done. Yeah, okay. So, that's it. So, miss, are you saying that there's going to be more downside for Bitcoin? For the short term, for the upcoming 2 to 3 weeks, looks like we're going to have it. The relief pump was very quick. The relief pump lasted for a week only. Okay, it was just for a week yung relief pump natin. So, with that, let's go and check our market cap. All right, let's open our market cap in here. Okay, so market cap, everyone, this is the this is market cap 2, meaning all of the market, the coins in the market aside from Bitcoin. That's it. Okay. So earlier I have give out in the Telegram that our reaction point, diba? We have a reaction point that we are waiting. And this should be the relief, relief barrier for altcoins. At least this should hold strong. And even if it goes lower than this, as long as the candle, listen up, ha. As long as the candle doesn't close below this trend line natin, can you guys see this weeks, okay, it might even hit this MA natin. And that is pretty normal. What we have just to watch out is the candlestick not closing below this this zone that we have. Okay, very simple as that. So reaction point natin is around this area for the crypto market cap. So if you guys can observe right now, the not just Bitcoin, but most altcoins are holding. Okay, I'm telling you, they are holding, to be honest. So if you'll see from the top to bottom, we have dropped like 10% of of the market cap. So of the altcoins. Now, let's open Ethereum, everyone. Ethereum, on the other hand, this is Ethereum against BTC. Okay? For those who are looking to enter Ethereum, you guys are in the jackpot area right now to enter. I'm giving it to you guys now. Ethereum is at the jackpot enter for you to enter right here. Oh. Miss, what is this green zone, right? Let's open what on earth is the green zone. Okay, this green zone is the demand zone since 21. I'm talking year 2021. And despite of Bitcoin, of Ethereum dropping November the last, diba? Where we got a very nice push to the upside, this has hold through this support. Now, if you see on the lower time frame, like like a 4-hour section right now, let me take this out. Okay, 4-hour section right now, everyone. You guys are at the golden spot for Ethereum to start buying. Okay, so for those who are waiting, miss, can I buy Ethereum? Now I'm telling you, you can. Now let me open the Ethereum chart for you. Okay, Ethereum chart, everyone, is at our supply zone along with multiple 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm talking multiple support right now over our trend line, okay, for Ethereum, right? And at the same time, it is at the supply zone. So if you're looking to enter for Ethereum, miss, I would like to buy into Ethereum, you can. Okay, so now worst case scenario, I'm gonna give you the worst case scenario for Ethereum now. Just in case, okay, just in case the alt goes more down, anywhere at 3,000, that's gonna be the last level. I don't think we will see Ethereum again lower than 3,000. Okay, so if you are buying at 3,300, if you think about it, that is like 6-7% difference only. Okay, so I'm talking spot. Miss, I would like to buy into Ethereum. This is not that much of a difference, I'm telling you now. So you can perform DCA if you'd like. Sige? So let's try to open, not this one. Let's try this one. Okay, so DCA, you can start doing like this from where you are right now, diba? 3,359. Let's say, miss, I would like to buy in 30% or 40% of my account. And once you hit at 3,200, let's say, miss, I would like to buy in another 30%. or 40% of my account. And once it hits this area, okay, I'm gonna buy everything. That is DCA, okay, dollar cost averaging. That's the worst case scenario, okay, if it goes more down. But right now, I'm telling you, Ethereum, you can start buying it now. I'm telling you, start buying, okay? So, well, okay. So with that said, yeah, let's go check muna yung mga comments before we continue with our altcoins. All right. Ciela, hello, hello. Mitla, oh, it's Mitja, yeah, Mitja. Good evening. Darren, Telegram represent. Nax naman. Rex, hello, hello, good evening. Hello, Hazel. We also have last sale before pumps 20 miss. I'm not quite sure. Oh, wait, ano, can you rephrase that please? Last sale before sa pumps at 20. Okay, I got it. So on the 20, yung ano, I guess you guys saw, di ba? I have a mark on the Bitcoin right here. Roughly at 20, di ba? I just mark it as the date of Trump getting elected. Yeah. And roughly around first week of February, we should start seeing the major pump of all market, Bitcoin, altcoin, Ethereum. And that's gonna last all the way till possibly March. Sige? So, now I just shown you much more bigger time frame dito. Alright, so let me see other comments natin in, what do you call this? In TikTok. Let's check. Okay. Let's see. Okay, is Manta good to hold? Okay, we'll talk about that in the altcoin. Cloud, anong gamit niyo po pang chart? Trading view po. Country, how about Dodge? I'm not looking at any meme coins right now at this point. Sige. Meme coins are for fun only. What else? Is it possible for Bitcoin to go below 90K? Yes. Arjun, okay po ba mag-spot ng Ethereum Capital 5K PHP? Aha. Arjun, okay, that's a good start. If you are new trader, okay, in the, in crypto, it's a good start. If you're not looking for a big return, diba? Like, I'm talking like 20,000. I guess you can hit 20,000. But I'm talking like, 50,000 in a short-term amount of time. When I say short-term, roughly 3 to 6 months. Ethereum, okay, you have to be realistic. So if you have 5,000 peso, if it goes all the way up to maximum, let's say the previous all-time high, 42%. So pag nakaspot ka, diba, well, there's no leverage, there's no multiplier. So I'm not gonna introduce you to leverage if you are newbie right now. Sige, let's talk about spot. So 42% of 5,000 peso, that's gonna be, let's say, roughly near 2,000 pesos. Okay, that's gonna be your possible upside from here. Now, projection for Ethereum, I'm gonna tell you right now. Projection for Ethereum for this bull run is hitting minimum 10,000. Okay, I'm giving you guys now minimum heads up 10,000. So that's 200%. Okay, meaning dumoble yung 5,000 mo. So that's a 10,000 profit, 10,000 pesos profit. Okay? How about 100K PHP on Bitcoin? Wait, Fritz, just do the math. Okay, I'm doing it in front of you now. So just do your math. So 5,000 pesos investment, 10,000 target mo, right? Then you can hit like 10,000 profit dito. So total 15,000, di ba? Along with your initial investment. Now, if it hits yung mga maximum target like 20K, okay, then we are talking about a 5x return. So 5x return, everyone, is that 20,000 5x. Multiply mo lang yung 5,000 mo, 500%, right? So 5x. That's we are seeing 20,000 peso return, okay, out of a 5,000 investment. So that's not bad na. You're not doing anything. Your money is just sitting in, in your Binance. So if we're talking about 100,000 peso, multiply by 5, 500,000 peso is your profit. Simple as that. You're not doing anything. You're not working at anything. You just buy it, hold it, sell it. I guess that's the easiest money you can make. All right. So if you're not the one looking for, like fast return, okay, if you're a newbie as well, you can. That's 5,000 is good for you. Okay. What else? Pwede po ba mag-join sa Telegram, Ciela? Yes, Ciela, you can join in our Telegram. I recommend you to scan this QR code of Instagram on your screen right now, right around this area, diba? And yeah, in Instagram, and then just message me for Telegram access. Let's go, Vento, Super, Cristiano Silva. Yes, we'll talk about Super as well. James, Miss, how about XRP? Okay, I'm not looking at XRP, everyone. But we'll try to check that second. Okay, so I guess no more question. Is it free to join your Telegram? No po, it's not free, but almost free, you can say. Because it's just $50 po. It's just $50 for 1 year. Okay? So $50 a year po. Okay, for 1 year yung Telegram. That is like for almost, okay, if you do the math, $4 a month only. And that is like $1 a week. So it's up to you to decide. Take your time, okay? That's the math. I'm talking, okay? We do maths in here. Pag nasa trading tayo, guys, we do maths, okay? So $50 a year, almost, or like $4 a month, or like $1 a week. Yeah? Do you give signals in the Telegram for future trading? Yes, I give signals, okay, in the Telegram. Just pure signals. That's it. Pure trades lang po sa Telegram and some updates, updates in the market. Like just for example, like this one. Let's try to open our Telegram. Okay, so like this one, I just updated the chart about what to expect. As you guys can see, if you'll see the reaction point of the market cap kanina, but now we got some bounce, right? And at the same time, trades, okay, for the Telegram. So let's go and continue with our altcoins. Let's open DOT. Okay, let's start with DOT, everyone. Okay. So DOT, it is looking of making a channel right now. Literally completed the what do you call this? Can you guys see that? This is very easy to follow now, yung DOT natin. If it continues like this, it's very easy to follow by that. So DOT, everyone, is looking at the channel movement ngayon. So now, you remember when I talked with you with DOT way before November last year? I always tell you DOT is a very good buy anywhere below $4. Now, I can tell you DOT is a good buy anywhere below $7 right now. Sige? So, anywhere below $7 of DOT is a good buy position. Maximum, maximum drawdown from here. Let's say if, worst case scenario is roughly at 10%. So that's like roughly at 6. Okay? Roughly at 6 for DOT. And that 6 area, we just visited it once, ha? And can you guys see how big that bounce is? Once lang po yan. And the bounce was really, was really strong. And so far, we have been holding up, way above that area right now. Okay? Anong coin po yan? DOT po. Okay? Can you guys see this? Yung natin, watermark sa likod. Okay, just check that. So that's the maximum if ever it goes more down. Now you can apply the same technique that I just told you guys with Ethereum, okay, DCA if you'd like. But I'm telling you, DOT right now is at 6.8. And I'm telling DOT is a good buy below 7. Sige? Very simple with DOT. That's it. What else? Okay, let's talk about Super. Super, everyone, is now hitting the supply zone. Sorry, demand zone. Okay, there we go. We are now hitting Super at the demand zone area. So this area, can you guys see this? This area has consolidated for roughly 45 days. Okay, more than a month. And when we visited that again, at that support held it, held for us. It was very strong. Can you guys see the bounce again? So what are the chances that we're going to have a bounce from here? Yeah, high likely we will with the possible low. Okay, I'm talking if market goes more lower than this, Super can possibly go lower at 1.1. That's it. 1.1. And if we talk about percentage, that's roughly 10% then. Okay, so since the drop from yesterday night, we already did a 20%. Yeah, that's big. 20%. So that's why I'm talking. If maximum drop for Super, if ever, is 10%. But so far we're having that, 1 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. We're having that reaction at our green zone right now. And 1 hour is pretty, 1 hour MACD is pretty low, pretty extended to the downside na. And multiple, way past, na tayo guys. Way past 3 peaks na tayo for our Super. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we might have some relief correction to the upside dito. Okay, just to even out our Super. So how will it look like? Okay, how will it look like? It will look like this. Okay, relief pump. But I do not expect, like I told you, based off whatever the market we have right now, right? Whatever the market we have right now, I do not expect Super to go up, all the way up, along with, DOT, Ethereum. It's gonna have a bounce, okay? And I'm expecting the bounce to be a sharp one. So, yung sharp one na yan, miss, how does it look like? Parang ganito, guys, oh. Parang ganyan. Okay? But not higher than the previous high. It will look like that. Sharp bounce. Once we have that sharp bounce, that's a very positive indication for us, especially, that Super have that money inflow, and any second leg to the downside is gonna be a confirmed type of entry for you. So, miss, I don't wanna enter Super right now. Let's say, which is very smart to do. Kasi nga, if you think about it, what we are having right now in here, it's a falling knife. Okay, if you enter this, it's a risky type of, entry. Let's say entry. No, I'm talking futures, everyone. Stop loss below here. Let's say take profit right around there. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, if we don't have the bounce, it can continue to the downside. It's the thing. But if we have the bounce, okay, understand that if we have the second leg, diba? Then, okay, miss, I can enter roughly around here. Where is your stop loss going to be? At the previous low. Very simple as that. Okay, simple as that. So now I'm really teaching you guys, trade management and everything, some of it. So guys, for those who doesn't know, I am having a crash course. Okay, I'm opening crash course, this year, and it's gonna start on February 17th. The sign up is now open. Okay, so everyone, okay, right? So for those who would like to get into the crash course, okay, can you guys see this? Message me in my Instagram. All right, that's it. Just message me in my Instagram for crash course if you would like to learn how to trade. Tine, excited na madam. Yes. We have some crash course people yung mga nag-sign up na. Okay. So that's it. Like a very quick ano lang. Very quick update for you guys. Okay. So, okay, so we have a question in YouTube, Hazel. Okay, if the worst case scenario happen, Hazel, we have to do the math. Now, doing the math right here, maximum 5, what is this? 10% drop. As you guys can see, diba, as we're going over all of our coins. 10% drop from here, Hazel. 10% multiplied by 5. How much would that be? That's gonna give us another drawdown of 50%. So you do your math, okay, by the account, because I have done the maths, diba? I don't think if another 50% from here, that's gonna give us roughly at the 5,000. Sige? At the 5,000 negative from here. So, and that is like 10% drop already. So that's gonna give us like roughly at 5,000. So yeah, can you guys see? And our margin ratio is hitting the real. Wait, just a sec. I'll show you margin ratio natin. Does it shows in here? Yeah, okay. Margin ratio still below the maximum. Okay, pinaka maximum, we are still below the maximum of it. So if we do hit that worst case scenario in the market, out of all the charts that we are watching, it's gonna hit the maximum, maximum margin ratio. But at the same time, that is like the barrier pa lang. Gets? That is like the barrier only. So if you guys can observe, my margin ratio is 2.83 lang. I'm not sure how much you guys have. Yeah, but if you are following, copy trading, by is this? Just a sec, everyone, for those who are in YouTube, okay? Just a sec. Where is this one? All right. So, yes, nawala sa TikTok. I don't know who must report again in TikTok, but sadly, guys, for those who are in TikTok, our account now is banned. So, guys, the TikTok account is now gone. I do not have any access on it anymore. Yeah. Can you guys like see the Can you guys like see the TikTok account? Nawala TikTok, yes. So I'll post it right now sa Telegram. Yeah, just a sec. I guess we have to start our new TikTok, everyone. Simple as that. Let's try to open. Okay. Let's try to open our Telegram right now. Yeah. Everyone. So that's it. I don't know if I can see, I can open that right here. I don't think we can. But yeah, can you guys see that right now for those who are in YouTube? Yeah. So account is now permanently banned. Yeah. Someone reported it again. And I told you, right, multiple times, these people are just like, I don't know. Anyway, so I guess we have to make our own new account, everyone. That's sad lang. Kasi nga, that the TikTok account, that particular TikTok account, that was the TikTok account that I started with sa TikTok talaga. And that was during pandemic. That's very sad. Yeah. That was during pandemic. I was not fan of TikTok before, but I just did it, due to COVID time, pandemic time, 'di ba? So I just thought of like posting our some of my trades, and me posting my trades in there. I did not thought of it going viral or anything, that people in Philippines that time were interested in trading, because I really thought no one was interested in trading. So that's very sad. That is very sad. That's so sad, because that account was very very sa akin. What a day today, everyone. What a day. Yeah? What a day. Anyways, that's very sad. That TikTok was very sentimental for me. Yeah. Yeah. May mga lessons pa dun before sa TikTok, everyone. Lessons, what else? Hours of editing for, for trade, what was that? Trade review, studying the trades. Sayang. Yeah. Anyways, that's very sad. Oh, what a day, everyone. Anyways. Okay, so let's just continue with our alts right here. Okay, Sol, everyone, let's look at Sol. Sol is at the point of, of our, what is this? Yeah. Where is this? Yeah. So everyone, Sol, as you guys can observe, diba? Super, okay, is at the point of, reaction point. Isa. Sol is at the reaction point. Dot, let's try to open dot, everyone. It's also at the reaction point if you see that, right? So can you guys see everything are confluencing? BNB on the other hand is another level. And I told you guys, diba? I told you that BNB is one of the strongest coin. Yeah, it's one of the strongest coin that is holding, especially on drops. So if you guys can observe, in our out of the 10 positions, BNB is the strongest. Yeah. So Manta, on the other hand, okay, it's almost hitting the previous low then. And but Manta right now, as the same way as Super, I do not, if you are not a risky type, or what is this, a knowledgeable trader yet and how to handle this, I do not recommend you to take it. Sige? Because this is gonna be considered a risky type of entry. This is like catching the knife. So this is the Super. Let's open Manta. Manta, if you'll take a position right here, it's gonna be catching the knife as well. Sige, catching the knife tayo to the upside like that. Gets? So, Manta, Ondo. Ondo, on the other hand, everyone, okay, is forming a wedge right here. So, Ondo, let's me see. Just a sec. Asan yung ano natin kay Ondo dito? Ondo. Okay. 5%. Okay, so our entry was roughly around this. So Ondo has dropped from the top almost 22%. Like I said, 22%. Now, worst case scenario for Ondo, ha? You guys can see this? Yeah, everyone can see. Worst case scenario is 3%, 4% for Ondo. Okay, I guess Ondo was the yung pinakamababa na worst case scenario natin dito. Kaspa, on the other hand, is now finally bouncing. And Caspa right here, guys, doesn't have any worst case scenario. Kasi nga, if we'll open the daily, we're literally at the support of the trend line. So worst case scenario, if we'll think, Miss, is it possible that it can go, let's do a perpendicular dito, or like, like that. Worst case scenario, you can count 10% as well. Okay, I'm just talking worst case scenario. So, but if we'll talk about it, 6%. Yeah, but let's just put in 10%. H bar. Okay, H bar on the other hand. Yeah, let's see how the 4-hour will close. Because 4-hour right now, guys, okay, what is this? The MACD is still having that pressure to the downside despite of 1 hour. 1 hour at least is having that opposite point of view. So what's gonna happen now is this both area are gonna fight, high likely. So what's gonna happen? It's gonna flat out. So for the next couple of hours, do not expect any movement with H bar unless there's any major announcement. But with H bar, everyone, I'm expecting a movement like this, like flat. Sige? So to the upside flat, to the downside flat, not much movement. Sige? So 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I'm not looking at 15 minutes anymore, in our live. Because that doesn't coincide with our trading style or what we're performing in here right now. But daily on the other hand, at least, it looks positive for us. We're hitting 1, 2, 3. We're hitting the 3 picks of the daily. So we might have some relief with H bar soon. Let's just finish the daily, okay, of H bar, and it should follow to the upside. Because if we think about it, H bar is at a really nice position. It's at a really nice, okay? What do you call this? Consolidation right now for H bar. So, Miss, worst case scenario for H bar, okay, obviously we have to talk about it, 15%. So 15%, that is roughly 75% down, okay, on H bar. So another 75% down on worst case scenario. But so far from the top, we all have already dropped like roughly 16%. But if you think about it, guys, H bar is holding strong despite of the drops that we have experienced so far. Diba? With Sol has dropped like roughly what? 15%. Right? Super, 20%. Dot, magkano si Dot? Dot is roughly at 16%. Yeah? So, H bar is roughly at the level of this little bit higher coins. Super kasi, guys, okay, Super is one of, new coins. So, lakas yung volatility niya. Okay? That is why it's much more deeper when it corrects. And when it pumps, diba? Much more higher when it pumps. Volatility is very high. So, H bar holding strong. I would like to see BNB. How much did we drop from the top? Oh, BNB is remarkable. 7% from where we at, but maximum 8%. That's crazy. XLM. Okay, we're not trading XLM. Uni, on the other hand. Oh, I'm interested with Uni. It's at the support buy right now. Yeah, wala pa tayong Uni guys, no? Uni looks good. Yeah. Uni looks really good. I would like to have that under priority. Okay? So that's it. Yung near natin, we already took the profit of near, diba? And now near has entered the green zone ulit. And so far, we have dropped roughly 20%, almost 20%. Okay, so I'll be interested with near as well. ING, we took profit as well. So from the top to where we at right now, ING looks looks like a perfect cycle. How much drop did we do? Roughly 17%. Okay. So let me take this out. All right. And let's check maximum for ING. Okay, almost hitting there. Almost hitting there tayo. 4 hours. Okay, 4-hour demand zone is roughly around this area. Okay. So, ING maximum drawdown pa. 2%, 1%, not bad. Okay. Do we have some positive movement of the 4-hour? Not yet on the 4-hour. Okay, but 1 hour should be showing it. Yeah, it does. So we'll just wait for confirmation for 4 hours with ING. Okay. 1 hour, we might get some relief. That's gonna be the sharp correction we'll try to enter. And all of these coins will enter at second leg. Okay. Alright. So okay, how about Beam? Let's try to open Beam. Dito yun eh, just a sec. Beam. It took it out? It was here. Just a sec, everyone. BMX. Yeah, it's here. Di lang natin mahanap, daming coins. Okay. Let's try to add that. Okay, Beam everyone. Let's open weekly. Okay, can you guys see this right now? I'm showing you the weekly so you'll understand. We're hitting the, we're hitting the golden level of Beam right now. Okay, so let's open the 3-day chart. 3-day chart, not that much information. It looks the same as the weekly. 4-day as well. 4-day as well. Yeah, so let's open the daily, everyone. So as you guys can see, we got some point in here. So why did we bounce in there, right? So this level looks like, can you guys see this? We have a consolidation area right around this zone. So if you'll extend that, okay, this section is confluencing with our Fibonacci, diba? Fibonacci of the weekly. So worst case scenario for Beam is another 8 to 7%, or possibly let's just call it at 10%, diba? But you guys, as you guys can see, out of everything that we have seen of the altcoins, diba? They are all in a similar pattern, similar cases. So literally everything is similar. Yeah, so whatever will happen is gonna be up to our let's go back in here. That is why I'm watching our market cap, because whatever the market cap, as long as the money flows in, all of these coins will have their own move. Gets? Yeah. And so far, our reaction point, as you know, is sitting right here. But anyways, guys, that is very sad. I'm very sad with our TikTok, guys. Yeah, very sad with our TikTok. Got bow. I literally lost the account. That's sad lang. I'm not sure. Uh, these people will be, will be reporting because I have seen some, I have seen some comments naman or some other, cases. People are, some are telling, they're much more, much more intense type of lives than me, at least. And, but yeah, I'm not sure why those people are still there. But I guess it really happens when someone reports. So that is really sad lang. We lost the account. I literally lost the account, no access anymore. Yeah? Can you guys see that? So no access anymore. All of the videos are now gone. Yeah, since pandemic pa yun. So I'm really sad about that. But anyways, guys, so if you like the live today, our contents, crypto contents, please hit the like button right now. You guys are lucky that you are in YouTube to be able to continue the live, diba? So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow same time, right? So, keto, try to appeal po, ma'am. Sige, I tried na, yeah. Last time as well, I tried, but still, right? So, we'll try lang. But I'm thinking we'll make a new account na lang on TikTok. Sige. So, I'll make a new account on TikTok because I know other people in here likes to watch in TikTok kasi nga medyo late sa YouTube, right? 30 seconds. So, I'll try to make a new account for our TikTok. Does it mean sa YouTube ka na lang po magla-live? I'm always live in YouTube regardless of what's happening. Okay? Regardless of what is happening, I'm always gonna be in YouTube as long as YouTube allows us, like TikTok. Okay? So, that's very sad. Hopefully, ma-recover yung account. Because, there are some very valuable videos in that account. Oh, what a day, everyone. Okay, so, okay, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being in here. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Share this account or share this video with your friends, family who are interested in trading. Okay, for those who doesn't know, we have a free trading videos in our playlist dito. So just open the playlist. Okay, just ignore this one. Okay, go over here, trading lesson series. Sige. I have like about 10 videos for you to watch for free po yan, okay, for trading lessons. But if you would like to have a proper lesson talaga, you're lucky because I'm opening the crash course. It's open for sign up now. You guys can check below. Just message me in my Instagram for it. Simple as that. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.